swing.
Level 4, brown down. This is
Tucking
our,
and turning.
yeah. This was our last week, so we just kind of put all the ideas together, gave you a little like combo, and then you played around with that combo and you mixed the timing and the fraction and this and that. This was the combo. I'll do ba,
Back slow. Yeah. On the pitch.
step here, change timing. It's real quick about that forward change.
Yeah.
Quick.
We got that. Up, step.
Yeah.
Instead of walk.
Yeah. Followers, don't stop your momentum. Here you can actually have a little bit of this and then just so nice and juicy. So yeah, please. And we had more stuff, but you should have been there. So that's what we did.